Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Cassell. This is what happens when you stay home and take care of your own sick baby, is afterwards you get a turn. So, sorry, today I'm homesick, um, and I should be back soon, I hope. This seems to be a pretty quick little bug my family's going through. So, here's what you're doing today. This is what we would have done um, together, but it would have included some hands-on activities that we'll save for next week, right? That includes stuff for you folks at home to be able to do, right? So, oops, helps if I actually name this one the right one, not 18.4, 15.4. So there's two assignments for today. One are the notes that we would have done. These are lovely, colorful slides. There are some simulations and some sites that these notes ask you to visit. They're thorough, and like most notes that teachers use in a slideshow, they are a guide for what I would have been saying to you today. So at the end of these notes, submit a photo of your paper, or if you type notes, put in a screenshot, that's fine. So we're going to submit notes at the end of this. But you'll notice, is this something that you can really write down very easily? Not really. I would have put this up on the screen to talk to you about remembering this idea. So there's a little bit of stuff that's review that we'll go back and take a look at. Actually, hang on a second. Let me reload this page because I did update these notes to include a little bit more guidance for those of you at home. Except apparently that one's not there. So there's a little bit of review at the beginning. Oh, here's where it starts reviewing. So here's a little bit of review at the beginning. This should already be in your notes. Transmission, reflection, and absorption. We've got other things in there too, but these are the three that are critical today. So then these are the new notes we're going to add. These are things that I would talk through. I would say this out loud. You can write all this down if you want, but that seems a little excessive. However, it's good information. When we get to, there's this simulation to try right here. So follow those directions. Try the RGB bulbs mode in the simulation. But you'll get to some of these later slides. This is what I want to show you. And it'll be very clear to write things down. So any of the slides that say write this down, this is what I would really call the essential text that you need to copy into your notes. This is the stuff you'll want to refer back to when we do our labs next week. Okay. So these are red, blue, and green are the primary colors. Shocking. So there's a bunch of notes, okay? There's simulations. There's a bunch of, in some ways, the computer is a wonderful tool for doing this, actually, because a computer is a light source. So it's actually producing these colors of light. It's doing exactly what we're talking about here. It's mixing red, blue, and green light in order to make all the other colors that you might see. Okay? That's the first thing, is you'll go through these notes right here. The next assignment in Canvas 15.4 is this color absorption gizmo. Now, please remember, log in. If you don't log in, it only gives you 5 minutes of time. If you still need an account, please click Join Gizmos. So if you can't log in, try to join Gizmos. And then you'll see that there's several different gizmos that are here, all right? So first one is this additive colors. I'm going to make sure that this is added to my classes. Just to see all the things that are doing things as teachers. So this little gizmo, right, looks like this. We get to add colors of light to this black background. And your instructions are to just kind of play around with this, okay? You can alter exactly how much red light is showing. The next one is subtractive. So you're going to add colors as if pigments to this white screen to see how, as these colors interact, what color do you perceive? And the final one is this color absorption. This is your real lab. This is using filters like we handed around in class last week to see what color of light comes out at the other end. So in Canvas, you'll see it says make a copy of this lab document. This includes all your instructions for what to do with the gizmo, and this you can follow complete. All right, good luck everybody. I miss you today. I'll see you soon.